24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano truly is floating at $541,317,276 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA down around 4.13% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano's EMA10 especially shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner. Cardano in every way that really matters shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, which most certainly is very critical. 23 January 2024, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is extremely transient cost expectation for Cardano, by and large is ADA, a genuinely wise speculation. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano support and opposition levels and so forth, which certainly is very critical. Yet, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the ADA specialized examination, in a real sense let us most certainly discuss the very current economic situations incredibly. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,525,941,013,570. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $72,835,133,742, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, showing how 23 January 2024. In this video we will walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What generally is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Cardano, for the most part is ADA a wise speculation, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, which basically is genuinely critical. Sold a truly local coin of Solana especially is somewhere near 4.89 and presently exchanging at $81.66, which most certainly shows that 23 January 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for extremely 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What really is especially momentary cost expectation for Cardano, by and large is ADA a sort of wise interest in a very significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem, which really shows that Cardano basically shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an essentially enormous manner. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a by and large descending bearing for sort of present moment, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As of now, and in every practical sense, general sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely critical. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which essentially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers sort of become most certainly more really dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which vendors explicitly become move certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3% in a huge manner. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA sort of has recorded a downtrend, losing 4.13% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The very current worth of Cardano especially is floating at 47 cents, with the exchanging volume of $541,317,276 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, which in every practical sense shows that Cardano in a real sense shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The generally market cap for ADA truly is $16,502,941,364 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 13.73% throughout the week, exhibiting how the essentially by and large market cap for ADA most certainly is $16,502,941,364 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 13.73% over the course of the week in a really significant manner. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 23 January 2024, inside a sort of everyday time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, so Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, dissect the future development of the Cardano, so similarly. Opposition truly is a level at which merchants truly become move really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The ADA United States dollar moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, sort of is showing a sort of present moment, generally sell certainly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath extremely signal line, which sort of means most certainly bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting that Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 23 January 2024, inside a truly everyday time period, basically made sense of underneath, so Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%. While ADA's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange really signal generally will be for the most part conceivable at this